Somebody took a picture in here. Somebody took a picture in here.
A picture do you know?
And on Instagram I saw the location. I said it's on Jamaica. I said it's on Jamaica.
Oh yeah, nice done. Hey guys, welcome back. Guess where I'm at today? I'm at the new Fontana Pharmacy, and I'm with Rochelle and Deirdre. Who they're both dreading this vlog. They don't like to be on camera, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Maybe hate cameras, but you know, I'm gonna drag them anyways. We're inside the new Fontana, and in here it's definitely inspired by something from the first world. It's not quite what we're used to here in Jamaica, but it's nice. Right, Deirdre?
Hi, Rush. Hi, Paparazzi Rush. Hi.
So we're planning, one of our colleagues leaving, is departing from our office, well, to go and work in the New York office. So we're planning a little getaway, go away, bon voyage ceremony for him, and we're here looking for some party supplies. So that's what's happening today. And Deirdre and Rochelle keep avoiding me.
You say you take me go buy something with pink and blue machine?
You could.
And put it on my desk?
This is the home section.
You know what that section is?
To get a house.
I love this hello. Look at the hello.
Well done. Curry?
Of course, just call me, boo. Oh my god, there's a candy store. I'm gonna buy candy, guys. Wanna see the candy store? We'll come right here.
Oh, candy cream.
I'm gonna buy candy.
Oh my girl, up here posting the camera.
Hi.
Oh my, this is a monstrous.
Yeah, it's very nice, right?
Guys, what am I getting?
Balloon.
So I'm getting the balloons.
We're getting balloons.
Why do they have mixed colors? What is this? 10. No. Yeah, blue.
I think.
In here, it seems to have a wide variety of things. Like there's household things,
The ones with the
food,
number.
candy. There's regular pharmacy section. There's what else is in there? Toys. A little bit. I mean, they have another store in Barbican,
Yes.
one in Montego Bay, I believe. So they've had these stores for a while, and they have a lot of what they have now.
What
But this
stores
one
are
is
we
just
getting?
bigger and nicer. So it's kind of cool. It's very, very new. Very new.
Blue, white, and yellow.
White and yellow.
Miss Rochelle, could you assist us?
I am. What is Shane's favorite
Hold on,
color?
one minute, okay.
What's his
I
favorite
have no
color?
idea.
Maybe around the other section.
Can I get him one of these? What's your birthday?
We need a crown.
I was looking to see if they had any.
Oh, they have games. I want a Monopoly, you know. They have Twister. I want one of these.
But I think
I was gonna buy this the other day in Florida. You know.
How is their chest here?
$5,000. Yo, this is $5 grand, you know.
Is that good or bad?
Bad. But I want to buy a Twister and a Monopoly. This is. Somebody pull this. But this is not the price rush. Oh, I have a Simon Says. I had one. Something like that. This is $5 $5,000 too. Innocent in the $5,000 store. Pool.
You good now?
No.
5, 6, ready guys? Vibe check, Candy Crush. Vibe check, Candy Crush. Vibe check, Candy Crush. How we feeling? We feel good. We feel so good. Alright? 1, 2, 3, hey! We got a candy for you. 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 Come on, everybody, have a little milkshake. Ice cream and candy, it's just an earthquake. Top notch, thanks for the smile on your face. A water fresh drink to your whole you can take. Hey, we got a candy for you. 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 And some sugar to your life, sugar. Some sugar to your life, sugar. Eat candy, be happy, come to candy face. Eat candy, be happy, come to candy face. Life candle, fun candle, sweet candle, so bring the family home. Woo!
You're all gonna be like,
Can we get this on recording?
yeah. You have to say that sweet over this word. You want to get a little bit more.
Excuse me. Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't mean to be rude. So you put something in my phone?
That's not rude.
My number is 8324279.
You guys know my friend.
The part when I'm dancing about Candy Crush here,
Okay. You have an email?
I don't know. 8324279.
I want her to send it to you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jaina.
Jine?
Jaina.
Gina?
Gina.
Wow. You sure that's your name?
Yes.
I left my ID.
Alright.
Jaina Seaford Francis.
Alright, we'll send it to you
Yeah.
on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp? Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, thank
Alright, cool.
you. You always look like that?
What do you mean?
You look pretty.
Thank you.
You're
Oh.
welcome. Please come again.
Alright. You work here?
No. Let them want me to sample everything in here, so but you can't do that.
Yeah, a lot of sweets, right? Too much sweets.
And you see my size.
One
Hello,
taste
I'll be
size.
there, I pray for you.
You gonna pray for me?
Eh?
Pray, you gonna pray for me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Our Father who shall give me name.
Rochelle.
Our Father who shall in heaven, help Rochelle, Lord God, to mean well in Jesus' name.
Amen.
If you don't say amen, you're not praying, not done.
Amen. Nice meeting you.
Outside, you don't feel good.
Alright, bye.
Found the winner. I was wondering if I should get some and put on the tables.
Oh.
It's gonna probably cost you a lot. Is there some one me pick up?
That's what they wanted to do in the more you come and spend the money.
Here the price. They will come up there. So.
Would you like a bag?
No. You know what I mean? That's fine. Last week when I was in Miami, I bought one of this for $7. When I was in Denver, I bought the same thing for $7.
But this is cheaper.
Yeah.
Mm?
So that's waiting on my
I'm gonna put a plastic card. I remember the child seat. Can't fit.
Why are they looking at me like that?
I nearly see him saying.
Yes. Cece, Deidre has a child seat in her car.
Are you really?
And Girl, you know what's in her mind?
She's selling a car?
Yeah, Deidre has a child seat in her car and I can fit in there.
You're selling a car? Why are you selling a car?
So we're leaving Fontana now and heading over to Mega Mart.
Right now.
Rush, once we make up my mind to do something.
But why though, Rush?
It's a
what is the reason? The real reason?
The real
You don't
reason,
look. You look at the car and you don't like it. That is me.
I don't love my car. It's too basic for me.
And look at my car, and that I'll never make a decision like that again. Where I'm just like, okay, let me get the cheapest. Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Won't get something when I wake up because seeing that I'm paying a loan for it.
Yeah.
Need for cute.
Alright, I never say need for it. Needs to be what I like. See the XV there, Deidre.
Yeah, I know it, man.
But me not like it for me.
You don't remember man Shane was looking at it?
Which one?
The XV, but Shane was telling me that like I'm always concerned about gas guzzlers. I'm always yeah.
So you say your car too basic?
Yes, Rush, you know I'm into gadgets and stuff like that, and
So you get an Audi?
quite possibly. But I don't know yet. It may be another VW but the van, because the vans are more advanced.
Oh, okay.
So I just exploring. I went to look at Toyota, I went to Hyundai, I went to
Do you like the new RAV4s?
no, I think them ugly.
That's so weird.
Them ugly.
I like the Rushes.
So I went Toyota, Hyundai, KIG for Subaru, VW, Honda. I went everywhere. So it's just for me to know this
So
side.
you test drive that?
The CRV no.
Where you drive for Honda?
Honda, the HRV. I never drive it. They let me go inside it. They didn't have a tester. Hey, you know, I remember when I first started vlogging, I was so shy to like have out the camera. I was so shy to have out the camera and talk to the camera because everybody would stare at me, but people still stare, but no, I just ignore them.
Yeah, people get used to you guys, know?
No, I'm not used to it. Them still stare, but just I know I have a different attitude towards it. But then I was shy.
Perspective is everything, you know, guys. Perspective is everything.
Everything. Oh, where I look for shot glass? See, you're learning, huh?
But guys,
What about food plates? You're not taking
where
any
are
of
the
those?
regular plates?
Oh, around there, sir, around there, sir. You know what this? You know what suitcase?
No. Also computer. That's what what's her name?
We want to buy an actual gift?
I need to.
Yeah,
That's how it's got to come to.
When is he leaving?
next week, next week Thursday.
Buy my Amazon gift card so him can use it for buy way more when him reach.
That's not a bad idea, you know.
Buy my two, like a 150 Amazon gift card or the two bills.
So what we do with it? We could do something with the balance. We can give him a 150.
Gift card so him can buy up
card
some
and
warm
get him
clothes
some
when him reach, warm socks. Him
I
can
think
buy.
you would appreciate that.
But Shane don't use online, so then again that may be a waste of time. I may
And
give
you
it
shop on Amazon?
him not shop online.
If we get anything that is